Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today, we're going to talk about using the global sections, a feature you're going to love if you want a professional site that's easy to manage. But first, just what is a global section? Well, instead of building the same section over and over for every page, you create it once and tell Wix Studio to remember it. It's perfect for things like your contact info, navigation menus, things like that. So, how do you create a global section? It's simple. Simply select any section you'd like to set as your global section, right click on it, and here on the right click menu, look for Set as Global and select Section. Once added as a global section, you can rename it here. And if you go to the Layers panel, you'll also see it turn into a special color, letting you know it's now a reusable part of your site library. And if you'd like to add this section to another page, go to the page where you'd like to add it. Go to Global Sections on the left, and then select the global section we've just added earlier and click Add to Page. And once you do that, that section will be added to your page. And the best part, when you edit a global section on one page, those changes happen on every page where that section lives. If you change your phone number or update a link, you only have to do it once, and Wix Studio takes care of the rest across your entire site instantly. Global sections keep your brand looking sharp and save you a massive amount of editing time. It's all about working smarter. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.